Well, who won?
Bella.
Well, Will, what did you think of this trail?
Here I go again! Bella's a copycat.
Bella's a copycat.
Bella.
Okay, run up the hill, see if Bella follows you.
Run! Bella!
Okay, you guys gonna race again? Get Macy. Come on, Mace.
I won! Time for me and my team.
Here comes Will and Bella. Will, did you beat Bella?
Yeah. Bella won.
Where's Macy? Come on, Mace.
I won. Pretty Macy.
Here comes Macy. Go, go, go. Let her go, Tay. Let her go.
All the way up.
Macy, did you win?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Macy, come on, guys. Do number one. Say number one. Hey, Macy.
You guys going for more? Hurry, Mace. Go. Well, Lexi, this time let Will say it. Lexi, whoa, stop. Who won?
I.
You did?
Yeah.
Who won?
Me and Lex did it.
Oh, wait. Were you first, Lex?
Yeah.
Tay? Were you first?
Yeah.
Will? Were you first?
Yeah. No, Will wasn't.
Bella? Bella? Bella, were you first? Say, see you later, Tater.
See you later, Tater!
That's annoying.
Bye.
Macy, Macy, were you first?
See you later, Tater!
Back up.
Soon, baboon!
Back up. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Don't take, that is annoying.
Bye-bye.